paddleboarding, nailing down, great for the summertime, spring through fall, kayaking, and more. It's 6-inch in depth with chambers for your rafting. By Funwater. Paddleboarding by Funwater. The center zone is over here, and we're just going to simply show you what it looks like in the water, demonstrate. If you're interested in the paddleboard, this may be something you are after. The paddleboard is simply easy to stand up and paddle.